Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to find the kth character of decrypted string. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Given an encoded string where repetitions of substrings are represented as substring followed by the count of substrings, find the kth character of the decrypted string. Note that the frequency of the encrypted substring can be of more than one digit. For example, in AB12C3, AB is repeated 12 times. Also, AB is taken as a single unit as there is no number after A. Let's look at some examples. For the input string A2B2C3, K equal to 5, the decrypted string is AABBCCC and the output will be the fifth character, that is C. For the input string AB4C2ED3, K equal to 9, the decrypted string is ABABABABCC EDEDED and the output will be the ninth character, that is C. Now let's look at the solution. First step is to decrypt the string. Initially take the empty decrypted string, append characters one by one according to frequency. Example, AB2 will become ABAB. Then repeat the process till the end of the string and print the kth character from the decrypted string. Now let's have a look at the implementation. We initialize string expand to store the final string after decompressing the input string str. Then we will traverse through the input string and fill the string expand. Initially I is equal to 0 and we will traverse the string until we reach its end, that is, till string I is not equal to null. We initialize string temp as empty and frequency as 0. These variables will take care of the substrings. We read characters until we find a number or the end of the string and push the characters in the string temp until we get a number. Then when we get a number, we set the frequency variable. We read number for how many times string temp will be repeated in the decompressed string. Frequency is equal to frequency into 10 plus string I minus 0 generates the required frequency even if the frequency is of more than one digit. Now append the string temp into expand equal to its frequency number of times. This way our string expand, the decrypted string, is filled. Then we handle the case when string str is ended with alphabets, not with numeric value. Then the frequency is 0 and we will directly append temp to expand. Finally, we return the kth character, that is returned expand of k minus 1, which is the kth character of the decrypted string. The time complexity of this method is order n square as we have two loops for string traversal and filling the decrypted string. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.